Been lost and needed to share exact location, or maybe you are meeting a friend and don't want to explain 100 times when you are. Well, WhatsApp has a magic trick for that, live location, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to use it in just a few taps. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send your live location to your friends on WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp on your phone, and the next thing is to choose the chat where you want to send your live location. Now tap on the pin icon for Android, otherwise tap on the plus icon if you are in iPhone. From the options that appear, select location option. Here is the game changer. Instead of sending a static location, tap share live location. This means your contact can track your movement in real time. But, worried about privacy? You can stop sharing your location anytime. Just go back to the chat, tap stop sharing, and boom, you are off the grid again. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.